Here we have a view component called example component. This component is defined using view component. Inside, we have a data function, which is returning an object that holds the state for this component. We have message, a string that says hello view, and count, which is initialized to 0. Next, we have the method's object. The increment method is defined here, which increases the count by 1 each time it is called. Further, we are triggering a custom event called increment, and we pass the updated count value with it. This can be very useful for debugging purposes, as we can listen for this event elsewhere in our app. In the created lifecycle hook of our component, a console log statement announces the creation of example component. When using View DevTools, you will be able to see this log under the Timeline tab, which provides a detailed overview of the sequence of events and actions that occur in your app. Now, let's see how to use View DevTools to debug our application. Open View DevTools in your browser. You will see an Inspect button which allows you to navigate through the component hierarchy. Find and select the example component. With the component selected, you can view and manipulate its data and methods directly. You can even trigger methods like increment from within DevTools. Observe the changes to the component's data and track emitted events in the corresponding tabs. This powerful functionality helps you to debug and interact with your components in real time.